Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Pam, and this is my journey, my adventure into wig wearing. I just started wearing wigs back in about September, so this is not an expert channel right now, it's a novice channel, and what I wanted to do was take you through my adventure of wearing wigs and making each wig wearable, doing wig reviews, and today's video, I am going to do all of my favorites for the month of December. So the first of every month, the first week of every month, what I plan to do is do my favorites for the month before. And so I'm going to tell you what my favorite long-haired wig is, my favorite medium, my favorite short, and my favorite color, and then my favorite wig for the month. And now these are the wigs that I've worn, not wigs that I've purchased or just reviewed, but these are the wigs because I wear wigs every day, all day. This you can see is just my fun wig. Today was hanging out in the house. I have one more day before I go back to work. So I was just hanging out, cleaning, doing, different things. And this was my hang out in the house wig. This is, what's her name? Katie from her wig closet on Etsy. And it's a pink. So it's just a fun color. So are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and I am going to show you first what my favorite color is. So my favorite color for this month, hold on, I'll be right back. My favorite color for this month is Paula Young's Honey. So this is my favorite color, Honey. It's a little bit of brown with some blonde highlights in it. So this is my favorite color, Honey. And oh, the other thing, please comment down below, ask questions, let me know what you think, give me your thoughts, say hello. I'd love to get to meet you guys. I'm getting subscribers, but you're not talking to me. So please add some comments and talk to me. Let me know what you want to see. If there's feedback and there's things that I could do better, please talk to me down below. So this is my favorite color in December, was a new color that I bought from Paula Young, Honey. And now for the next one, we're going to do my favorite long-haired wig that I wore for the month of December. Be right back. She is. This is Jon Renau Zara. And this was absolutely my favorite long-haired wig that I wore in the month of December. Jon Renau Zara in black. Let me take you all around, give you some sides, the back, and the other side. Now I don't have any reviews up on Zara, but again, these are just the favorites that I wore for the month of December. So this was Zara, my favorite long-haired wig that I wore in December. Now coming up next is my favorite medium hair wig in December. Be right back. Okay, here she is. This was Erin from Model. I do have a review up on her. She's in purple. But this was my favorite medium length wig that I wore in December. I got so many compliments from my clients, from my coworkers, from everyone the day that I wore this wig. And she does have like one of those sewn in parts, but I don't care. Nobody cared. That's the thing, is I'm just having fun. I don't care if they know it's a wig. I mean, I'm trying to get it to look as natural as possible. I'm not trying to fool anyone. I'm trying to have fun. This was Erin from Model. Okay, and now I'm going to show you my favorite short hair wig for the month of December. Here she is. This is from Paula Young. This is Red Carpet in the color Light Blonde. And I almost threw this wig away. I do have a video up on her. I put some rooting in her and I zhuzhed her up and I fell in love with her. And this was my favorite short wig in the month of December. Now, my favorite all-time wig for the month is Red Carpet as well. So she is what I wore out of all the wigs that I wore this month. She ended up being my favorite. I had been wearing all brunette, so this was really, you know, my start to kind of going into blonde and stuff. And I wore her probably 3 or 4 times. And I don't usually wear, I tend to not want to wear my wigs, you know, more than 2 times. I like to wear something different every day. But I threw her on for things that I needed to do. I needed to run to the store. I threw on Red Carpet. Wasn't going anywhere that day. I threw on Red Carpet. I wear my wigs all day long. I work from home from one job. Then I do have a part-time job at night that I do go out into the office. But yeah, so this was Red Carpet. And these were my favorites for the month of December. Now, something new that I'd like to introduce to you guys is I would like to show you, I pick my clothes out for the week and I'm gonna walk you through. I'm gonna show you, I have just a little hanger that hangs on the wall and I hang up my, you know, I think it fits 7. I hang up my next 7 outfits that I'm gonna wear. And I thought to myself, wow, how about if I pick out which wigs are gonna go with those outfits now that, you know, I'm more wearing wigs every single day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you into my room. I'm gonna show you my 7 outfits. I'm not gonna take them all off. I'm just gonna show you them hanging on the rack. And then I'm gonna show you the 7 wigs that I picked out. And I'm gonna tell you right now, before I go in to show you, I picked out Dylan in Buttered Toast. I picked out River in Golden Lights. I picked out Hollywood Lights in, what's it called? It's called Starlet Silver. I picked Henry Margu's Harper in Black. I picked out Rene of Paris Sassy in Plum Dandy. And I picked out Paula Young's Indie in Pecan Delight. And then Dylan and River are both Paula Young as well. And then I have also Rene of Paris in Passion and Molten Amber. And that is, and then I have, I think there's a last couple one on there, just in case something doesn't work. All right, so I'll probably repeat the wigs as I point them out, but I just wanted to give you that briefing before we go into my room. So let's go into my room and see my outfits. And I'm gonna show you, I have these really cute hat hooks and I have like them all hung up along this whole wall. And that's where I'm storing now my wigs for the next 7 days. All right, so let's go to my room. Okay, so we are in my bedroom now, and here, as you can see, it's just the little hook that hangs out, and then here are my outfits for the next 7 days. So I have this, I have some gray, I have a black and red top, I have, it's like a maize, then I have some brown, and then I have some blue with some blue pants. So again, those are my outfits for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. I hold 6, so for the next 6 days. And then when you come over here, I have these. They're really supposed to be for hats. So these are hat racks that I have for the next 7 days. So the one on top is the Rene of Paris Passion. And then we have River on the left in Golden Lights. We have Hollywood Lights in the middle and the Starlet Silver. We have Henry Margu's Harper in the black. We have Sassy in the Plum Dandy. Then we have Dylan in the middle. And then over on the right is Indie and Pecan Delight. So there are my next 7 wigs that I'm wearing. So what I hope to do, let me turn you around. Okay, so what I hope to do is every day I'm going to try my best to record putting the wigs on and installing them and getting them ready to wear for the day. And then after I have worn them for the day, I'm going to come back and give you an end of the day summary so that we should have each day I'm going to try to upload you know, the wig that I wore for the day, or I may put it all together depending on how short or how long it is. I may, you know, combine a couple and give you a couple throughout the week. But this is my first attempt, and with my busy schedule, we're going to see how it goes. All right. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I see the subscribers. I see the views. Again, please comment. Like the videos. Don't like the videos. You know, that helps for YouTube to have the algorithm show my videos and when you search and when it comes up in your feed as recommendations. And comment, talk to me. I want to talk to you. I want to get to know you. I want to see if you're liking my content. Do you like my videos? Are there any questions that you have? You know, I really would like to help anyone who's at the phase that I'm at. If you're more advanced and you have some tips for me, please put the tips down below as well. But I really am having a lot of fun, so I'm hoping you're liking my content, and I hope you come back. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share.